Alrighty guys, how's it going? Welcome back. Colton here. Today we are working on the crow's foot packer here. I already had this side done. I was just waiting on a couple parts for that side. I've got the rollers back there. I got a new bearing in this already. Did new bearing in that side as well. But yeah, basically what happened with this is this whole center here broke out and then the rollers fell off. So got that all welded up, put back together. So finished putting it together today. We run this behind the grain drill, so we're going to need it here real quick for barley. Because hopefully we're planting that here towards the end of the week. We're going to probably go get the barley seed today. And just kind of waiting on it to warm up again. It's only supposed to be 40 degrees, which kind of sucks. But the rest of the week's looking pretty nice, 60s. We were supposed to be up in the 70s, but of course they took that off and they were like, no, you don't deserve warmth yet. So yeah. But what I got to start with here is I'm going to pull this end off, just because it makes life a whole lot easier to put everything together. And we'll start sliding the rollers on. Get everything done. We'll hopefully it lines up pretty good and I can just go ahead and bolt this end back on. And should be good. Then maybe this afternoon, once it warms up a little bit, we'll grab the loader and we need to carry this over to the pivot where we're going to start planting barley. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, use the Ugga Dugga machine here. That's off. So yeah, I think I'm just going to find the pallet jack here really quick and bring those over here because I don't want to carry them all over here. Yeah. Okay. All right, rollers are back on. Just gotta stick the end cap back on, and this will be finished up. And there you have it, guys. Got her all buttoned up. So it should be ready to go. We apart from just doing the bearings and repairing that center, we added another hitch thingamabobber on here. Just took some weld pipe, some stem, and just bent it around. It should work. That other one was about wore clear through, so we wanted to add another one. But yeah, this should be ready to go. I'm going to pull it outside, and then if you guys haven't noticed, the shop needs a pretty good cleanup again. So wow, okay. But I'll talk to you guys later.